Hold up. Rest in peace to heaven.
Hiya. I gave her. You see? Way too. Yo, 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 what is going on, my brothers and my sisters out there? Hope you guys are having a good day today so far. Just got freaking bright as hell. But today, as you see, a brother got another right. Brother got another e-bike. Shout out to the Happy Run company for sending me this e-bike. I haven't unboxed this junk yet. I got it last weekend, so I have to review it. But I'm like, yo, I never did an unboxing actually for an e-bike. Matter of fact, I don't even remember the last unboxing video I've done. You know, for a game, for a controller, a mic, an e-bike, bars. I don't know. So I'm like, you know what? Let me do an unboxing for this. This will be the next e-bike that I review on my channel. If you suckers thought I had a what do you suckers say? A GTA Los Santos collection of e-bikes before? If you thought I had that before, brother, let me tell you something. The junk getting crazy. The junk getting crazy. So we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna be using this probably for the next, week or two. Let's do my first e-bike unboxing on the channel. All right, so we're gonna do this real quick. We got our trusty dusty pocket knife, box cutter, whatever. All these e-bikes, they come like, what is it, like 85 or 90% pre-assembled. You don't really have to do much to get them all together. You just gotta kind of connect the front wheel to the thing. You might have to put on the fenders and stuff like that. You might need a little help to unbox it as you lift the e-bike out of the box, because they do, got some weight to them, but nothing crazy. Comes off like that. Oh boy, I'm saying, okay, got some nice protective covering, and they packaged this junk beautifully. I've actually never seen an e-bike package this, like, this well, this protected. This makes, like, how many e-bikes do I got? Because people be asking, like, bro, you got a whole garage now? You got a garage full of e-bikes? I think this is, like, what, my 8th or 9th? This is literally primarily how I get around now, and they're just really fun to ride, man. You don't gotta pay for gas, no freaking insurance, no freaking license, no nothing, and I still get from point A to point B pretty damn quickly. I do everything I need to do in a city, and the only time it's really bad being on these things is when it's like raining hard. If it's raining hard, you could still technically be out on these because the batteries that come on these bikes are water resistant. They're not waterproof, but so you don't want to stay out like too long. But I've been caught out in some heavy rain on these things and still gotten home. You just gotta dry off, all the compartments of where the where the battery is and stuff like that. But yeah, these days, bro, the way traffic is and how many cars be on the road, I honestly prefer being on these damn jumps. if I'm being honest, because it's just too much, bro. The way suckers drive today, the traffic, I'll be like, all right, bro. I really just don't even, I almost never like driving unless I absolutely have to. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this junk on the ground like so. Pull this bad boy out so I don't drop it. Come on. Come on. Why this junk starting to sound like a rated R? But whoo! Oh boy! This junk is beautiful. beautifully packaged, man. I'm not gonna lie. This is probably the toolbox right here. Happy Run toolbox. Oh, this is actually the instruction manual they got right here. This is the little toolkit they give you right here with all like the wrenches and stuff. Got the pedals inside this bad boy. This is the battery pack right here to charge the battery. They even give you a nice little chain lock for this junk if you want to lock it up. I have my own bike lock. Make sure, please, I stress this, if you have a decent e-bike, please make sure you invest in a good lock. Don't get like a nice e-bike and then get some cheap chain lock because or like I see people get those like plastic locks that you can literally just take scissors and freaking snip them. I literally was at the mall one day and like this black dude had like bought that I forgot what do you call those are things, but like you can like close it and then it got, I think it's like shears or something I think it's called. And he was literally like going at someone's lock and he was about to get that junk. It just took a Spanish dude to come out outside of the mall. And he was like, hey buddy, what are you doing? if it wasn't for that, that dude was definitely gonna get that damn that e-bike that was chained to that lock because it had a cheap lock on it. Make sure if you get an e-bike, invest in a good lock, at least $60+. Actually, before I do that, they got the damn, oh, I like the battery of this. This battery is actually like the battery that I got on my, that Keoler e-bike that I reviewed. Ooh, I like this. I like this. So this is the actual battery itself right here. And you put this at the top, you can slide it on with the compartments you see there. And this is the battery itself. And then you plug the little cord in right here to charge it. There you go. This baby is done. Boy, that yellow went black, my brothers and sisters. Holy crap. I love the tail light on the end. The back fender. Oh my God. I love that back fender on the back. That junk look nice and sexy and mechanical. There goes the motor on the back. This is also a dual battery e-bike, which is always great because that means more range, my brothers and sisters. Anyways, though, this baby here. Yes, sir. I cannot wait to get on top of this sucker. Pause. Well, actually, freak the pause. I can't wait to get on top of this sucker. I'm gonna take this baby to the streets. Shit. Why not? Why not? The cruise control is in. I no longer have to hold on to the throttle. As you see, that junk just going, bruh. That junk just going. Hey, this junk rides smooth. Nice and smooth too. God dang. Like, you don't feel the bumps, nothing. The one thing I will say though, I just noticed, I might have to go into the settings and like maybe unlock this bike, because this bike can go 38 miles per hour, I think, or 40 miles per hour. Max, I think it's 38. But I noticed when I hit 31, it's like it locks off and I can't go no faster than that. So I think I might have to go into the settings and actually unlock this bike fully, because it can go even faster. But yeah, it's about that time for me to get home, bro. It's looking like it's about to rain like real hard. I do not want to be caught out on this junk. The way this junk look like, let me get over. Dang, today was just not a good day to like really take this junk out on the road, man. Kind of a bummer, but we got a little bit of footage. I'm gonna use this baby for about a week and a half, 2 weeks max, and have the review out for you guys to watch. I'm thinking just by the way it feels already, the way it looks, the way the seat feels, the way the braking and everything looks. It got the nice little basket here. I think this might be one of my favorite. I mean, if we're just talking purely aesthetics, this already might be one of my top 3 favorite e-bikes that I've already gotten. But how it feels and performs on the road and the sidewalk, that's everything. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my first little e-bike unboxing. I've never done an actual unboxing for an e-bike since I've gotten into this. So I wanted to try it out. And yeah, man, more content for this sexy, beautiful beast coming in the future. And I'll catch y'all boys later, all right?